the price for the rack that we use for the long hauler kit went up by 33%. It literally went up 33%. The cost of stainless is up 50%. The cost of just stainless steel is up 50% in this country. Well, we make our racks out of stainless. They're not made out of aluminum. They're out of stainless. Why? It doesn't rust. Cool PWC stuff is like, hey, I'm sorry, but we're almost doubling our rack costs. And I was like, oh, all right. So instead of of passing that on to you guys, I decided to take a hit. Okay. But we went up $50. $50. Well, guess what my cost is? It's another $125. So I'm eating $75 of profit. But you have people who bitch and complain and they go, well, you charge so much money. I could go to Walmart. I'm like, go to Walmart. Go make a PVC pipe rack. Go do it and see how well it holds up when you get in the shit. I built a rack. I designed a rack and a fuel system. It holds. It holds. All right. You can pick up the damn ski by the rack. You probably heard it, but I'm telling you. I mean, that's bad news. All right. It's bad news, but I had to raise the price by $50. And why did I raise the price by $50? Because now I'm paying $125 extra for the kit. So I'm eating $75. I'm not saying yay me, but I'm saying congratulations. Welcome to the current market. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.